We are currently developing a creature capture auto battler game set in a fantasy world inspired by feudal Japan, but with Vikings and flying islands. Imagine a fusion of Pokemon and teamfight tactics in 3D. Of course, featuring our own unique characters such as this guy, his daughter, and his wife. Recently, we uploaded a video asking for help because we were having trouble making our game world look as good as Aloft, and we were completely speechless. We still are. Not only did we receive dozens of comments with tips and tricks and suggestions and even encouragements, but the developers of Aloft themselves responded to us. We are so flattered. I mean, who wouldn't be? Here is a very important note. We have set up a new channel that focuses solely on game development, so please click on the link in the comment section below to get to that new channel right away. We have already uploaded the first video onto that new channel, where we discussed very important matters pertaining to scope creep, the decision-making processes with regards to game characters, and a short history of how our game development journey began. More devlogs will be delivered over the course of time, so stay tuned for more. By the way, the soundtrack you just heard is written by our very own composer. He makes a lot of great stuff, like this battle music. Now take a look at how our game world looks as of the moment. We are using multiple assets that we purchased from various sources, but there are also assets that we created ourselves, like this Viking-ish, Asian-ish house, this airship, and some other objects all over the place, and of course, the main characters. We are learning a lot each day, and the more we learn, the more we want to beautify our project to the point that we are scope creeping every now and then. We even took heed of the comments and suggestions of our beloved viewers on things like the use of triplanar shaders, which we happily implemented. The downside is that it's been taking a lot of time from us, but the good side is that it also made our game look way better from this to this. Oh, and in case you're wondering what this has to do with Marty Explains Tech, this and other channels like the German channel Top Empfehlungen served as funding sources for the development of our dream game. So if you want to support us, feel free to click our affiliate links the next time you shop on Amazon. We receive 1 to 3% of the purchase value as a commission. It won't cost you a cent more, and we are currently using every bit of that income for game development, which means that this channel will of course continue with tech videos. This has been Marty, and I'll be seeing you on the next video.